Hello everyone. Today I will take you to a beautiful tourist spot that is Siswan Dam, which is located in the Mohali district near Chandigarh. Lush green valley, dam and surrounding view is just made for nature lovers and for relaxation. It is just about 20 kilometers from Chandigarh in the beautiful valleys of Shivalik. It is built on the Siswan River in Siswan village of Mohali district. Siswan Dam was fully completed in 1998. Its main purpose was irrigation and water supply, which is still a boon for the surrounding villages and farms. The area falls under the Siswan Community Reserve, which has 2800 hectares of greenery spread over it. This place is no less than a paradise for nature lovers. The dam is open from Tuesday to Sunday 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Avoid going during rainy season. It can be easily reached from Chandigarh and Mohali by cab, bike or a car. Here you get more than 150 species of birds like peacock, parrot, kingfisher, eagle and many more. Here I found a beautiful peacock dancing. Just look at him, how beautiful he is. Here you get boating also, which is opens from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can get paddle, rowboat or motor boats easily. Siswan Dam has been developed as an ecotourism hub. If you wish to stay overnight here, you can also book modern tent houses and eco huts. It is a well managed tourist spot near Chandigarh. It has proper washrooms. There is a cafe and canteen here, and products made by local self help groups are also available, such as food items, local handicrafts. Parking is free here but has not been developed yet. Carry your shoes, water, minimal luggage for trekking also. Do not throw garbage to maintain the natural beauty of dam. To avoid crowds, please visit in morning or evening. There are four trekking tracks here: Lighter Moon, Moonwalk, Know Your Nature, and Introspection Track, ranging in length from 750 meters to 6 kilometers. Trail timings are from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. The greenery, calm atmosphere, chirping of birds, and adventure activities make it special for everyone. So the next time you think of spending a holiday near Chandigarh, do visit Siswan Dam. Do like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.